Darlington emerging for this crucial group game here, the tournament still in its relative infancy, but it is already developing into quite a spectacle, and that, of course, is what you expect from this, the greatest of all the tournaments. It has been terrific stuff so far, so let us hope that the trend continues here and now. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Yeah, Toni Kroos. His passing range is second to none, Peter. He can ping it out to either wing with wonderful accuracy or play a cute through ball into the box when under a lot of pressure. His teammates will be looking to get him on the ball as often as they can because they know how much he can hurt defences.
I'm thinking the same. He will be a central feature, no doubt. There's the whistle, and here we go. Toni Kroos. Samu Castillejo concedes a free kick for that. Goes for goal!
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Good ball. It's gone out for a throw-in. Tries a shot! And he's done it! Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
So we have our breakthrough.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Yeah, he's fouled him there.
Well, they would seem to be trying to expose the centre of that defence to runners.
It makes for some terrific movement.
It does, and they may be hit on the break because obviously it requires numbers forward to stretch them out.
And it's played forward. Now can he finish? I think that's offside. Yes, it is. He's making good use of his strength there, just refuses to be out-muscled. Offside again. Simon Mignolet sends that a long way. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Tries to get it forward, shoots! Yes, it's there! Hot knife through butter, they have done it again!
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Darlington have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, with this kind of authority, Peter, why not push on and totally kill this off?
Darlington have it back and they can go again. Decent looking ball. He came in hard, very hard. Shapes to shoot! And that's it for the first half. Comfortable two-goal cushion. We're probably into the second 45 minutes. Tura. They get a throw in. Oh, that's not going to go down too well with his teammates. Renato Sanchez. Mitrovic. Plays it out to the flank. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. No complaints about that challenge, robust but fair. He's picked him out, has a hit! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
Ah, now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. Massive leap! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. Dost. Goes down, but nothing given. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Well, he'll be seen as the #1 enemy because of his creative ability.
Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
I just think it was a cheap foul to give away.
Goes long. He's made sure that that won't get through. Tura. Tura. That's a corner kick. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Whipped in. And the finish! And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Vida. Samu Castillejo. Cut out in the nick of time. Danger averted for now. It's come loose. Quick glance at goal. Cleared without complication. And the referee brings it to a close. So they bask in their win, a genuinely professional performance and a result which